After watching this video, there's no reason for you to be making boring nachos. Today, we're making a delicious pulled pork nachos, delicious, and take less than an hour. Let's get into it. All right, guys, to begin, I have a little bit under 2 pounds of pork shoulder. I went ahead and cut some of it. I'm going to remove the skin, and also I'm going to remove the fat. So let's just go ahead and remove the fat. Ooh, this knife is so sharp. Once you're done cutting your pork just like this, you're going to pat them dry. Once you're done patting them dry, you drizzle a little bit of oil, rub that in. Now I am going to season. I have a few seasoning here, or you can use your favorite barbecue dry rub seasoning. So I have a little bit of brown sugar, smoked paprika, chili powder, cumin, onion powder, ground black pepper, garlic powder. It smells so good already. Everything will be listed down below for you, so don't worry. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil. This is medium high heat, okay? We're going to place that right in, just like that. And we're going to let it pan sear until it's nice and golden brown, then we'll flip it over. All right, time to flip it over. Look at that, beautiful. Ooh, that looks good, and it smells good too. All right, now, as you can see, our pork is looking good. Now, we're going to place it to our pressure cooker so that thing can cook quick, easy, no hassle. But of course, you can boil this if you like in a Dutch pot, okay? To the pot, I'm going in with 1 cup of chicken broth. I like to pour it on the side. And also, we're going to be using some Coca-Cola. Ooh, this is going to make it nice and tender. About 1 cup, okay? Going to pour that in on the side as well. Now we're going in with 1 cup of barbecue sauce. Pour that in. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Also, we have a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm adding 1 bay leaf in there, okay? For flavor. Give it a nice little mix. All right, now we're going to cover it. Pressure cook for 30 minutes, okay? All right, guys, it's time to make the guacamole. So I have all my ingredients already diced up. I have tomatoes, onion, jalapeños, and cilantro. I'm using half avocados. We're going to cut those, slice them in half, just like this. By the way, these are my favorite avocados, okay? I can eat them all day, every day. So just give them a twist, just like this, beautiful. A twist. Just grab you a spoon and scoop it out. Ooh, these are perfectly ripe too. They make the best guacamole, by the way. Perfect. Once you have the avocados like this, you are going to slice your lime and you're going to squeeze in the lime juice right on top. Now the lime juice is what's going to keep your guacamole nice and green and not turning all dark, okay? Squeeze that lime in there. And I'm going to mash it with a potato masher. Now let me know down below, how do you like your guacamole? Do you like it chunky, or do you like it, you know, nice and smooth? I'm adding another lime in there just to make sure this doesn't turn dark on us, okay? Now, once you're done, you're going in with your tomatoes. For my tomatoes, I remove the seed. I do not use the inside. That way, it's not watery. You see how dry it is? I add that in. I'm going in with a little bit of onions. And if you like it spicy, add lots and lots of jalapeno in there. Love it spicy. And I'm going in with some cilantro. Add that in with a pinch of salt and pepper, okay? And now you mix it up. Mix it up just like this. Going to mix it this instead. And you have yourself a nice, fresh guacamole. Always taste it to see if you need salt or pepper. Just perfect. So fresh. Now we're going to fry up our tortilla. I don't like to deep fry it. I like to add a little bit of oil in here, not too much. So I'm using corn tortillas for this recipe. However, you can use flour tortillas, of course. So I'm going to just cut them right in the middle and then cut them into 4 pieces, just like this. And you just place them in here, just like that. I'm going to quickly fry them up. All right, now we're going to remove them and set them aside. Some of them are more golden than others, as you can see. This is what our tortilla chips look like once they're done, nice and crispy and golden brown. All right, guys, my pork is done. Ooh, it's looking so good. Ooh, it is tender. We love. Y'all see this? We love a tender pork. All right, let's remove it. Ooh, it's falling on me already. Ooh. Let's add some barbecue sauce to it, just like this. And also we're going to add some of that sauce right in there. This is our pulled pork. And there you have it, a beautiful, fresh plate of nachos right at home. Let's give it a try, you guys. I'm excited for this one. Ooh. So good. This is another 10 out of 10 recipe you must try. If you're having a barbecue this 4th of July, this has to be on the menu. I'm about to take this and go enjoy my favorite TV show. Let me know down below what's your favorite TV show, and also give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.